Good morning, everyone. We are staying at the Grand Floridian Resort and we are staying in the Royal Palm Club. So we are kicking off our day with some breakfast. We are going to grab a quick bite before we head on over to Epcot. It's already starting. Okay, we're gonna see how long we last. I don't know. We have to scan the Magic Kingdom because that's our park reservation, and then we will head to Epcot. And we're getting mixed things from our concierge. Some say you just need a park reservation, you'll be good to come back to Magic Kingdom later, and some are saying that you need a Magic Kingdom reservation to end up in Magic Kingdom later in the day. So to cover our bases, we just popped into Magic Kingdom because the Grand Floridian's right here anyways, and now we are going to head up to Ticket and Transportation in a moment to get to Epcot. Well, this is fun. We have a little cart to ourselves.
Please stand clear of the course. All
This is extremely lucky. I don't think I've ever just kind of popped right on. We're here! Da, da, da. It's so hot. Not that I know of, but we can have one as like a souvenir if you like. Sure, let's get a map. English. Got it. This is exactly when you don't do Spaceship Earth. We are going to slowly make our way over to Soarin. Nice and easy, not too fast. It's way too hot. And even though it's hot, we needed to take a couple of photo pass pictures along the way. It's nice and cool right now, although you can see us glistening. In a great blue world.
It's closing.
We're slowing down. You cannot think as soon as you slow down, it might break down.
Uh-oh, where's Nemo?
Let's go explore the big blue world.
Mr. Ray, we can't explore without
Nemo.
I'm sure we'll see him any minute now.
Nemo!
Jellyfish!
You're good. And I'll take
Jellyfish! And the next
Oh, look at that shark.
Oh, what a beautiful little orange. Here's what you do. Stay in your seats while Crush Man sees what he can do.
And we got stuck.
We got stuck.
And we're back.
Big old blue.
Okay. So we got to cool off a little. Ooh, bright. We got to go on Nemo. And we got to see a manatee. Oh, and we had 2 pictures. Now we'll see the Moana. I forget what it's called. It's like imagining into water. Yeah. Actually, I doubt it's true, but I just saw something on Instagram that talks about wearing sunglasses isn't as good for you as people think, but who knows? I feel like they're saying everything's bad now. I don't know. Okay. So we'll see Moana, then we'll go to Soarin. And Soarin is indoors, so that's nice. And we're not too far away because the land is right over there.
I saw that too.
It's called Journey. Wait, Journey of Water. I was so off. All I had right was the water part. If you go over there, though, you can actually meet Moana. Journey of Water, inspired by Moana. Okay.
So it's called
Touch the strings of water. It makes like sounds.
Oh wow, that's cool.
Wait, I love this. Now excuse me while I put it on my neck. Oh look, so there's all strings all over. Mom, do a little swoosh. Good job. Ooh, stream. Please stay on the path and keep water clean. Ooh, a spring.
Pretty cool.
Land. Oh, Mommy, are you going to walk through the water?
What is this? What do you do? Oh wow, sure.
If you move slowly, this waterfall might open for you. You have to go slowly. Oh, look, it did. Hold on. If you go slowly, it's supposed to open for you. Yeah.
Wow.
Cool.
That is cool. It didn't open.
And we want it to get wet, though.
See, we obeyed the rules. Water understood us. Oh, look, oh my goodness.
Mira para acá.
And in the Moana section, you get such a fun photo pass picture. Hey, ready? To Soarin' we go. It's fun. It's just a jump. Ready?
Oh my God, Chris, that's kind of stuff you love.
Oh, I would have been there all day as a child. I would have been like, we're not leaving. Ooh, sky. Ooh, look. Hi, little guy. Look. I love that. Mommy, did you have fun?
Lots of fun.
I actually liked it. I've never been there before.
No, I was never there. Cool. All the times I've been there, cool and refreshing. It was just the pause you needed.
Darren and I forgot to go there in February. We were like, no.
And we had some really good
Let's get this
teamwork from another family.
We did.
We got that water to rise.
All right, now we are going on Soarin, and then we'll probably head into the countries. That is going to be our biggest challenge because that's going to be the largest period of time just in the beating sun.
When the doors to your flight open, please take a seat and store all carry-on items in the underseat compartment.
Trying to figure out if we should go straight to the countries to go on Frozen right now or whether to stop by the land. I think we're gonna try the land. We'll see what happens. We love Soarin'. It actually, even though we had a lightning lane, it took us a little bit longer to actually get on the ride. There was just a lot of waiting time. But then when you get on it, it's such a classic. Let's just give it a try. The land. Living with the land. All right, team. Here we go.
But they contain more than half of its plant and animal species. Rainforests are also extremely rich and productive living systems.
Show Mr. Dad.
The tropics are home to the greatest diversity of plants on the planet. Many of these, like papaya, double trees. By growing these ground plants vertically, we can increase yields and better control diseases. These crops taste as good as they look. In fact, we serve more than 15 tons of produce from our greenhouses in restaurants acquired by traditional growing methods. That saves system on your left combines hydroponics with aquaculture.
Okay, we are off the land and we have like 10 minutes to make our fast pass. I know it's a lightning lane, I still call it fast pass, to Frozen Ever After. So I think I'm just going to need a moment to collect exactly where we are and then see if we make it. This is where right now we're nice and cooled off. Oh look, there's Chip and Ordale. I'm not sure which one because I can't see his nose. One of them. This is where we're gonna get really hot because now we're in just a blanket stretch of pavement and the heat is going to be wild. A waterfall. There's just one jump in when it's 100 degrees out. I haven't gotten as lost yet though, which I'm really happy about that. Sometimes, you know where I'm the worst in? Animal Kingdom. I do a terrible job navigating in Animal Kingdom. Epcot, I had it down until they started doing some of the changes, and then I lost my way a little. As we walk through, we're trying to do little things to help us, like staying very close to the trees to get the tiniest bit of shade. It adds up though. You know, it doesn't help a ton, but helps a little. And we're going to the left. Mommy. The first country is Mexico. The second is Norway. So we'll be doing a photo finish as far as scanning in. Yeah. So as soon as we get to Norway, we get another heat break. Oh yeah. Here we go. Our lightning lane ends at 12:40. It is 12:39. We are entering Norway. Ooh, nice breeze. All right. Woo woo, Norway. We made it, folks.
Come on, let's go and play. Elsa wants to give us all some fun. She's making everyone a snowy summer day. Oh, you're going to Elsa's ice palace. And it's going, I'm going, and it'll be so beautiful. For the first time in forever.
See you for a later guest.
Let's just call it right. 'Cause for the first time in forever.
There's magic night.
Are you ready to see this?
I know you.
The hot and the cold are both so intense. Put them together, it just makes sense.
Oh yeah, it's a troll.
It's a troll.
Yeah. I love that ride. You could take a picture with the very large troll. So our goal is to have some fishing chips in England. It is. This is Nine Dragons. We love Nine Dragons. Now, of course, if this was a spring day, fall day, we would be going a lot slower, but it's hot, so we have to prioritize here. So we're gonna skip over China for now. We're going to Germany. Germany's going to be our break, and we're going to pause, and we plan on meeting Dopey in Germany. That'd be fun. All right, it is 1 o'clock. We are in the hottest point of the day. We are going to push through, my friends. Our original plan was to never be out between 12 and 2. But every single time it's an Epcot day, those plans inevitably change. There's a lot to do and see. All right, we're gonna meet Dopey.
Thank you. It's our pleasure. Thank y'all for joining us. Yes.
Hi!
Meeting Dopey was so much fun, and if you're an annual pass holder for the entire month of July, you can go over to Germany and meet Dopey too.
They're very pretty and delicate. Yeah, that one's pretty.
That is so
Do you
beautiful.
want it?
I feel like, you know, you don't have a while to carry it. The belts, these are really pretty. I mean, I have so many Christmas decorations.
They're all so pretty. This is a nice cross.
Falls, it's done.
Oh, the bear.
But these things are so dark, like I said. They fall, it's over. This one.
Well, I guess the goal's probably not to drop it.
Yeah, I know. But so that things.
I love this. Mickey chocolate cookie sandwich, caramel carrot cake, whoopie pie. Those are huge cookies. See, the problem here is how fast would this smell?
Chocolate. You got the
Mama. Yeah. Otherwise, there's stuff I definitely would have brought back. We are approaching Italy. We should get a slice of pizza in Dad's honor.
Oh my God. I'm gonna look. Tell him I'm looking to see if he's in the corner.
If he's in the corner hiding under an umbrella.
A giant fake out, and he really came. And he's in the left-hand corner laughing at us.
Be a fake out.
You get one slice of pizza, that's for 2 people.
Yeah, it is a very large slice. We're taking so many breaks that this has been very manageable thus far. You know when it doesn't get manageable? Because that's when I break out the ice pack.
Alcohol ice pop again. They want to know those?
Italy. We haven't been there in a while, Via Napoli. The Lizzie McGuire moment. I see a pizza window.
I see it. Okay, everybody know what? Oh, he's not there.
Oh, man.
He didn't surprise us. Look at this, so many seats in this place.
I want to take... Well, no, I think over there is behind the shrub. I just want to see what the pizza looks like. Pickup window. But we are going to get fish and chips at the moment. Oh, look, that couple. Good.
Smokehouse.
We made it to America.
Wow.
Regal Eagle Smokehouse. We still never went there.
No.
Oh, and this, come December, is where we will watch Marie performing Candlelight. All right, we are leaving America. We're going to see if we can make this push to England. There's a slight breeze. Any little breeze helps. So we'll you take what you can get, guys. Japan. Look at that sun. Oh, you got still a little bit way to go. You gotta go through France. We can always pop into France if you need a breather.
Oh, yeah. I think England's nice to France, right?
Well, you have to just go around, kind of like up the little hill, and then you pop into England.
I never ate in France, you know.
That is true. But in this heat, I don't think it's likely at the moment. Now our next challenge will be to find a seat. One challenge at a time, my friends. One challenge at a time. All right. You're entering England.
Okay, take it in now. Take it in. This is where we came from, you know.
I'm gonna go see if there is a spot to eat. Oh, I see two.
This was a Christmas Carol.
Wait.
This song was sent. This is one of my orders.
Honestly, it might be breaking out the ice pack time. Okay. My mom is getting the fishing tips. It's ice pack time. So what's going on?
Okay, this song, they say, was written by Henry for Anne. It was then called Greensleeves, before it became What Child Is This? Now, this is all before he cut her head off, of course. So, just some information.
She was robbed. Anne was everyone's favorite. Also, when we met Dopey, we got a new pin. Hey! Wait, say again what happened. What happened?
Oh, here?
Yeah.
When I went to get my fish and chips.
Yeah.
These two lovely girls at the counter as always love me when I get my fish and chips. And I thought about how hot it was. I said to myself, I'm getting myself a Coke as well, after I already paid for the fish and chips. And that's for my receipt back. She wrote Coke on it. I asked her for how much, for the Coke. And she said, it's on the house.
Oh.
And I thanked her profusely, because she did not have to do that. But again, that is everything Disney's supposed to be about.
Very kind.
Keeping the magic and being very kind.
I see Alice. Oh, Canada. Well, look how cute this is.
Oh my God, how nice is that? And it's all shaded. That's great for your little ones.
Yeah.
You want a little break?
Probably. Remember up there is the Walt's little statue of Walt sitting?
Oh, where is it?
Straight up ahead. There's actually a photo pass person there.
Oh, they're by the bench.
Thank you so much.
In 1450, Gutenberg invents the movable type printing press. U-books and tabulated. Books make it easy.
Jesse Owen leads into history. This humble young man wins again for Elizabeth Six.
Return to Earth. Please remain seated, time travelers. Attention, travelers. Please remain seated. Your time machine is rotating backward for your return to Earth.
If our faces are not cut off, I would be shocked.
Welcome to the
Every
future.
single time they cut off the...
Or should
Oh,
I
yours
say,
looks good.
Your future.
Oh my
wow.
God!
You.
They actually have our
Your
face there for
future
once.
away on vacation is a breeze. Your smart suitcase knows where you're going and what you'll need. And with solar power from your home fueling station, you're off.
Oh my God, the dog.
While you're gone, thanks to handy household robots.
Oh, they take care of the
country
car.
home in an ultra-light, ultra-powerful, totally networked family car that can take you anywhere.
Oh my God, look
You
at
already
this.
planned the trip with your virtual travel agent. Hotels, check. Restaurants, check. Guided tours, check. You'll never get bored on the journey because your car is moving into virtual teams to connect you with friends outside the window. Quickly and safely to places you can't imagine visiting today. And the moment you arrive at your ultimate vacation destination, it dives right in to the future.
Oh my goodness, look at this.
The end. Or should I say the beginning of your
Look at my
future.
ears cut out on top. That's never happened.
I know. Probably the first time I ever came
Here's
good.
to the next.
Yes.
Is that me?
Okay, we're sending the card. Yes, send this card. Wait, look up. Oh, there it is. Right up there. Mm-hmm.
Oh, wow.
That's a good breeze. We weren't just there. I love this place. We did a couple of stops for photos, but I wouldn't mind. I think we should come back to go to Creations and hopefully go to the cake shop. So I'll have to figure out that sequence. To the monorail.
Back on the monorail, heading back to the Grand. Gonna go in the pool. We did a good day's work in the hottest part of the day in Epcot.
What time is it now?
It's after 3. 3:15.
Okay, we were almost there. We are switching one more monorail. And then we'll be back at the Grand Floridian.
Please stand clear of the door. Favor, manténgase alejado de las puertas.
And that's what we were waiting for. Alright, this is when we separate so that I can go get us a spot by the pool. And she's going to get 2 sodas and bring them down and meet us there. Okay, ooh, it's bright. The chairs have been secured. I am now waiting for my mom. And we are going to finally cool off from the massive amount of heat today. Are you coming in?
Pool time was so much fun, and now it's time to head back to the room.
And it's clean. Disney's Polynesian. Nice. Okay, and now it is dinner time.
And we have our strawberry soup. I cannot wait to come home and shower. I feel so much more clean now. How was your dinner?
My dinner was very good. I would say it was eclectic.
What does that mean?
All different styles. We have the hot dog and the tater tots.
Yeah.
Which they call potato barrels. And then you have little salmon cakes.
What was your favorite?
The salmon cakes were good. I also like the hot dogs and the salmon cakes. I guess are my favorite.
I also had the salmon cake.
Other things were okay.
The tater tots were very crispy, which I liked.
I like that too. Absolutely. Complimented the hot dog very nicely, as well as the salmon cakes.
Yeah. And now we still don't know what we're doing tonight in terms of fireworks and the nighttime parade. Don't know yet. Since we're here, right? We get both.
Of course, I mean, might as well.
Might as well.
You cheat.
We have our Mickey bars. And I also got a little ice cream sandwich to keep switching. You're like, it's very frozen. I need to give it a second to thaw.
It's a real frozen treat.
Yeah. And now it's time for a bite of the other one. I do think I like this one better. All right. It looks like our next stop is going downstairs to go shopping a little bit. Then we're going to rest before we head to the park, and I think we're going to try to see the nighttime parade. Ooh, look at the fireworks in the background.
Is that Epcot?
Yeah.
These little tarts are good too.
That was a good dessert night. A pina colada shooter? We're about to go see the parade, the nighttime parade. But Club Bubble actually had some good desserts. So we'll leave in 2 minutes. And this, we have a pina colada shooter. I've never seen this before. Okay, last dessert. We're going to Magic Kingdom.
Looking at those automatic doors if you're standing, and please also use those silver handrails at all times. Your next stop is going to be the one and only one of the most magical places on Earth, the Magic Kingdom. I'm going to hold you on to applaud, and yeah, there we go. All right, friends, as we approach the Magic Kingdom, a few things that you should be aware of. Number one, the most amazing fireworks show you'll ever see will be above Cinderella Castle tonight at 10 p.m. That's right, friends. That nightly showing of fireworks above Cinderella Castle is tonight at 10 p.m. Followed by an 11 o'clock parade. That's right, the Starlight Parade will be at 11 o'clock tonight, friends. Once again, friends, my name is Danny, your runner-up pilot here on the highway in the sky. Also, we take a look to the right-hand side. That right there, where the oldest running show we have here at Walt Disney World, that is the Electric Water Pageant Parade. That's out there nightly. It's been here since 1971, and they just like dancing in the water for some reason. It's alright, we let it happen. My name's Danny, your monorail pilot here on the highway in the sky. Have one of the most magical days and nights that you'll ever have. Enjoy that new parade, friends. On the left-hand side, head on down that ramp.
All right, folks, we're in a mad dash. We are going to follow the same strategy as earlier today. Slow and steady, my friends, slow and steady. Because being frantic is not going to help us. I feel like that's a good sentiment for life. Just frantic, running, sprinting doesn't help anyone. Not only are you going to get sweaty, but you're also just not thinking straight and thinking logically, and that's how rash decisions happen, and you're not making the best choices that you can. So we are going to kind of observe our surroundings, and we have a couple of ideas of what we're going to do, and we will execute what we feel works best in the moment. So let's see what we can do. Okay, so essentially, oh, look at that. We're hoping that people saw the 9 o'clock parade and they just want to head out at this point. So we are hoping to catch the fireworks, and then we're going to drop back a little to get in position for the parade.
Right to exit.
All right. I think this is a pretty realistic depiction of what you're going to see. So let's take it step by step, my friends. So at this point in time, you're not going to be able to tell are people in line for the 11 o'clock parade, the fireworks, or both. So I really think the best strategy is sort of to just play it moment to moment, kind of see where we go from here. The balloons! Oh, I know, it does feel a lot better now, of course. While we're waiting, we're just kind of looking at the lily because we had one and we made a smaller size.
Granted, I mean, it's on something.
Yeah.
It's on a TikTok.
Cute. I think what we'll do is in a moment. That's pretty too. I just worry that it'll be boxy, but it's hard to tell.
You'd have to try it on.
I think what we'll do is we'll investigate in a moment to kind of feel it out. But again, you're not going to get the best depiction until after fireworks. We'll see. Okay, so right now, here's our yellow line. We're taking a seat because the fireworks are going to start in like 10 minutes. And my mom is right across. That's where my mom is right now. We have 2 more minutes. It is packed behind me. But this is a typical firework crowd. So again, when the fireworks end, and then 5 minutes after that, we'll get a better picture of what this is going to look like.
Look inside our hearts and unlock the magic
getting a lot of people out of the park right now, so let's give this about 5-10 minutes and then reconvene to see where we are. All right, it's 10:39. Still lots of people exiting the park. Too many people are walking by, but right here is where you get the nighttime parade merchandise. Okay, update at 10:42. We're almost there. But you can see the park significantly has emptied. Honestly, the strategy worked out pretty well. We saw the fireworks, and then when that ended, we stepped back. My mom went to go get something in the Aquarium because, let me pull this out. We got a Disney Starlight t-shirt. Very comfortable, by the way. I didn't think it was going to be this comfortable. 3 minutes. All right, I have my sparkly ears ready.
Seen the stars sparkle like this before? Oh, it's so magical! Come on, everybody!
All right, team, we did it, and that concludes a very, very long day starting off technically in Magic Kingdom. We checked in here and then went to Epcot. Went back for a concierge dinner, came back here. What day? I am so happy that I chose today to record because we did so many things and I'm so happy that you guys came along with us. I hope you enjoyed seeing everything that we did today. Oh my gosh, I forgot we saw the Moana journey. Wow, I still don't know the name. Well, the Moana water, let's call it spectacular. So we are not taking the monorail. We usually, when we leave Magic Kingdom and we're staying at the Grand Floridian, we choose to use the boat because when you are going home, the boat's first stop is the Grand Floridian. So usually this is faster. I'm not sure if we'll be able to get on this boat, but we'll try and we'll see. Looks like we're out of luck. We might be tempted to walk, I don't know. Let's see what my mom wants to do. We're opting for walking home. It's about 0.7 miles. We're getting extra steps in today. Instead of follow the yellow brick road, we're just following the lights. And if anyone didn't know, there's a little passageway next to the Gasparilla Grill that will get you upstairs. There's a washer and dryer you can use. So you pop in here and looky here. Now, if we go up though, we're not gonna pop out the normal spot we go to. It's a little different, but you'll see. So you'll go to a spot you've never been before.
Look at this.
All right, so you pop out here. See that? Go this way. Ice. But you see the rooms go all the way down there too, in the opposite direction. Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
And then we pop right in.
Oh my God.
Yeah. And that's all, folks. What is it?
Like this?
Mm-hmm.
Thanks for joining us today. We had so much fun.
Thanks for coming along with me on this adventure today. Make sure to subscribe below so that you get notified of our next one. Have the best day, and remember, keep finding those adventures.